So I got another Home Chef box and I am so excited to show you guys what I picked out. Now I actually picked out these meals myself. I think the last ones are actually just sent to me and picked out, but these I picked out myself. So I'm excited to make these. Since I have been eating a little bit healthier, I tried to pick out some pretty healthy options that I know that my husband and I would eat for lunch or dinner. So we've got this prosciutto caprese sandwich, which sounds so good. This is the one that I was really excited about. This is the Southwest chicken and brown rice. It sounded pretty healthy just because of the grilled chicken and brown rice. Then I also wanted to try out the smoothies. I thought it would be fun to try out something a little bit different. This has strawberry, orange, and pineapple. And then the Asian peanut chicken salad, which also sounds amazing. So this is what it looks like when it comes. The whole box is insulated. And then this is just ice. Okay, so inside here, it's got all the ingredients we're gonna need for each one. And it usually will say up in the corner what it is. So this one is the prosciutto caprese sandwich. Oh, let's see, this is probably the Southwest salad. And I got the ones that makes 2 servings. Last time I got 4 servings and it was too much food for us. So I thought I would get more meals, but do the 2 servings one. Oven roasted chicken. So that's probably gonna be for one of them. I think a lot of my things call for chicken. And then under here is probably where the meat is. Yeah, so at the bottom, I just pulled out these chicken breast fillets that were hiding down there under a bunch of ice. And then I pulled up this Asian peanut chicken salad. So I've got everything in here for all of these meals. We've got everything I need to make some lunches, probably maybe some dinners, a smoothie. So I'm really excited to make these for the week. So this morning, Jeff is gonna be making the Fruity Tooty smoothie.
It says to zest the orange. I don't know what zest the orange means.
Zest. I think you like shave it, kind of like zest the orange peel. Just look how he grates that orange. Is it coming off on the inside?
Yes.
Okay. Instead of making a smoothie? Are you gonna eat some?
I will eat some.
You will eat some of it? What about you?
The poo.
What?
The poo.
The poo?
He says the poo.
You silly boy. Alright, it says to put 2.5 cups of ice in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that while you're peeling. We're gonna add the yogurt, the pineapple juice.
First?
And
I like pineapple juice.
what is this, like strawberry puree? I'm gonna title this video, Sexy Husband Makes
Chef Jeff. Chef Jeff.
Cook with Chef Jeff. Tastes good on a hot
I think it's
day.
really good. I actually think it's really good.
Think of it if you were like outside in the middle of the day.
It's like tangy.
Mhm.
Like I didn't expect it to be tangy.
Still kind of sweet though from the yogurt.
Oh yeah, I like it.
It might be the best smoothie I've ever made because I'm not very good at making smoothies.
Well, I made it, but
Okay, whatever. But seriously, it's really
no,
good.
but it's really good. I actually really like it.
Okay guys, it is nearly 1 o'clock and I'm going to make some lunch. Yeah, that's a bunch of dishes in the sink. My house is a mess right now, but so I'm gonna make a really easy lunch using my Home Chef stuff. Let's see, I'm trying to find the instructions. I'm gonna make the, what am I making? Prosciutto caprese sandwich, and I'm pretty sure I'm butchering both of those words. I'm sure somebody will tell me below how to say it correctly. Look how good that looks. That looks really, really good. So I'm gonna make that for lunch. See if my boys will eat some of it. If they don't, my husband will eat it when he comes home from his baseball games. So I've got the buns. What is this? Baby spinach, the prosciutto. What is this? Oh, roasted peppers. mayo, and cheese. Alright guys, as you can see I already took a bite out of it, but this is really, really good. I added some mustard just because I wanted to and I like mustard, but this is so much better than something that I would have made myself. And it took me all of like 5 minutes. So I would really recommend this one for a good lunch. So we have had such a busy day today and I do not feel like cooking at all. So I am so glad that I have Home Chef here. I think I'm gonna make this Southwest chicken and brown rice. It just sounds really, really good. And it actually says no cooking required at the bottom. I was really excited about that. I was prepared to have to cook something. It says the cook and prep time is 5 to 10 minutes, just like, you know, putting it all together. But I'm so excited to not have to cook dinner tonight. You could actually make this for lunch just because it's so quick and easy. But everything I need is right here. Plus I have the chicken that it came with as well. And I'm gonna make that for dinner. At least we don't have to like go through the drive-thru or anything tonight, but I also don't have to spend hours slaving over dinner tonight after we had a very long and busy day already. So let's go ahead and make this. All right, so the first thing it says to do is to rinse the corn under warm water. It's still frozen. It's not still frozen, so I think it's all right. Warm brown rice in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. And here is the brown rice. All right, now I'm just gonna put this slaw mix into this bowl here. And here is the chicken pieces that were already cut up and ready to go. It's already pre-cooked, so all I did was heat this up in the microwave. And I'm gonna add the chicken to the slaw and the brown rice and the corn. Now I'm gonna mix it all up. It even comes with ranch, chipotle ranch dressing, and then these are like roasted jalapenos, crispy jalapenos. So you can put both of these on there. I think I'm gonna do just 1 packet. It did come with 2 of these. I think I'm gonna just do 1 packet and then I will put the crispy jalapenos on there. It has been raining for a good 3/4 of the day. And I'm so glad once again that I have my Home Chef meals to make, because we would have to run out and get takeout or something, and I don't feel like cooking, which is pretty much every night lately. But tonight I'm gonna make this Asian peanut chicken salad, and my husband will be home soon, so we're gonna eat this. And I have some leftover stuff for the kids that they're gonna eat, but it's just enough for me and my husband. So I'm gonna make that, probably with a baby on my arm, but I'm gonna do the best I can. This looks like it's gonna be super easy. It's about 20 to 30 minutes of cook time, but the picture looks so good. So this will be a nice dinner for when my husband gets home. So now I am just letting the chicken cook. All I did was put some olive oil in there, and the white on here is just from me defrosting it. But yeah, it's just cooking in some olive oil for a few minutes, and I'll flip them over and let them cook. So while the chicken is cooking over there, I'm gonna put these wonton strips on the salad as well as the Asian sesame dressing into the salad right here. I'm just adding a little bit of water to the skillet, and then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes or so. So that is it for my what I eat in a day video using my Home Chef box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the link below and order your own Home Chef box and use the code Brittani30 for $30 off your first box. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.